Hari Om to all and a very happy Republic Day. Bharata is a very special nation. Our Puja Gurudev Swami Chinmayanand used to always say that it is a peculiar country where there are 40 countries inside it. You go every 20 kilometers, the language, the attire, the food, everything changes. But still there is something which binds the whole nation together. And that is our glorious culture, Bharatiya Samskriti. Now, somebody may think that India got independence in 1947 from Britishers. But we must understand that it was not just from Britishers, but from many, many years of foreign rule. Before that, Portuguese, Mughals, and so many other people have ruled over us. And therefore, 1947 was not just Britishers or colonial people living. No, it was much more significant than that. And therefore, when in 1950 we adopted this democratic nation and therefore we had our own constitution, it is not again a surprise, because even before all these rules, even as a culture, as Sanatana Dharma, we are democratic. Anywhere if you go, in any Indian house, Bharatiya Kutumba Paddhati, there is democracy. Okay. Finally, everybody does what they want. That is what is democracy, isn't it? So that is the human nature which the culture has correctly understood and has adopted. So we see that India is not republic or democratic because of 1950 or because of what constitution we adopted. But even before that, even without it, we are a republic nation, we are a democratic country. And therefore, being in such a country comes very natural to us. All our scriptures speak more about duties than rights. This is democracy, where of course there are rights, but there are duties. If each one follows their duty, the other person's right will automatically be satisfied. And therefore, on this day, 26 January, when we remember all the glorious things that have happened in the past, we must also look at the future and say that as a Bharatiya, as an Indian citizen, what is it that is my duty which I must do? Only when we think of our own duty, in whichever little capacity, it doesn't matter. In whatever capacity our duty is given, that duty we have to satisfy. That duty we have to fulfill. Only when we do that can all other people live happily. We all study Vedanta. And in Vedanta we say that there is only one reality, that is Brahman. That same Brahman is present in every single one of us. It manifests through every single one of us. And therefore, respect for life of the other person, respect for their individuality, respect for their stature should come naturally to all of us, because we are Vedantins. If we follow Advaita Vedanta philosophy, then democracy, republic, nation should come naturally to us. So on this day, let us stop criticizing the nation for everything and rather start to see the solution. There are two types of people. They say either you are part of solution or you are the problem. Okay. So if we are not thinking of the solution, then we are part of the problem. We must remember that. And therefore, rather than saying this is like this, that is like this, rather than saying that, let us see how can that be solved. What can we do to change it? And whatever we can do, we should try and do it. Right? So wish you all a very happy Republic Day once again. It is a day to remind us that we must do our duty towards our nation, towards our family, towards our society, because that is only going to satisfy the rights of all other people. Thank you very much. Bharat Mata Ki!